Hi guys, today we are talking about the air compressor application scenarios in the electronic industry. Air compressors have become an essential piece of equipment in various industries, including the electronics industry. The electronic industry requires a clean and dust-free environment to ensure the quality of the final products. Air compressors play a crucial role in maintaining these environments. The technology of air compression is used in various applications in the electronic industry, including packaging, assembly line, and testing equipment. Compressed air is commonly used to power pneumatic tools in the electronics industry, including screwdriver, drills, and sanders. These tools require a constant supply of compressed air to operate efficiently. Air compressors not only power these tools, but also play a crucial role in ensuring worker safety. The electronics industry operates with a high voltage, which can be hazardous if not handled with care. Air compressors are utilized to power the robots employed in the industry, thereby minimize the potential for accidents and injuries resulting from manual handling of equipment. Air compressors are also used in testing equipment within the electronic industry. Testing equipment requires a compressed system to operate efficiently, especially those devices that require precious pressure regulation. Air compressors are also utilized to power pneumatic cylinders in testing equipment that assesses the functionality of electronic components. Moreover, compressed air is essential for the packaging process of electronic products too. Compressed air is utilized in the sealing and the labeling of electronic counterparts to guarantee proper packaging. This process helps protect electronic counterparts from damaging from transportation and handling. The application scenario for air compressors in the electronic industry are vast and multifaceted. The use of compressed air is crucial for ensuring worker safety, maintaining a clean environment, and ensuring the quality of electronic products. Therefore, the importance of air compressors in the electronic industry cannot be overstated. For a detailed article about air compressor application scenarios in electronics industry, please read my latest blog at chinacompressor.org. Thank you.